In this video, you are going to see how to create this text animation in Premiere Pro, that too without using any external plugins. Also, at the end of this video, I'll tell you how to save this as a preset file so you can use it again and again without creating again from the scratch. So let's start. First, select the type tool and type the text. Then double click on that layer so that you can adjust the size, font, and some more things. Once the text is created, go to the effects panel and search for text animator. Drag and drop this to the starting of the clip like this. If I zoom in, as you can see here, it is applied. You can drag it like this to increase or decrease the duration. So if I play now with default settings, this is how it shows. Now to make the animation very smooth, select this effect, then go to the effect controls and you will see these options. Here follow the options that I'm changing. First, change the preset to fade. Then scroll down, change the ease out value to 100%. Then fade value is also 100%. Then for the push position, you can adjust either 60, 70 or 80. I'm making it as 70. Then scroll down, you don't need to change anything else here. Select this side arrow key side to the advanced controls. Here, change the object type from letter to word. Now, if you play, it is showing full sentence, but we want word by word, right? So select that and change the word bias. Now, if I play, it looks like this. I just go 5 frames. Then increase the word bias until it shows the first letter. For my case, it is 5%. So now if I play, perfect. Now to make this animation ease out, select only this effect, copy it, Command C or Control C, then go to the last of that layer, select the edge like this, it will be highlighted, paste it, select it and go to the same effect controls panel. Here change the push position to negative value whatever you added. For example, if you added 60 here, make it minus 60. If it is 80, minus 80. Mine is 70, that's why I added minus 70. Then scroll down and disable this option left to right. That's it. If I play it, this is how it looks finally. Now to save this as a preset, select the first one, then under the effect controls, text animator, highlight it, right click, save as preset. You can name it as anything as you want. This is for ease in. Now go to the last one, select it, under the effect controls, again select the text animator, right click, save as preset, ease out, click on OK. As you can see here, under the effect controls, these two are added. So for any layer that you created, you can simply drag and drop it like this. That's it guys. This is how you can animate the text word by word like this in Adobe Premiere Pro without using any external plugins and saving it as a preset so that you can use it again and again. Don't forget to like this video so that it reaches to more people who are searching for this topic, and also subscribe to this channel for more video editing tips followed by YouTube related content.